Musina, what do you think? What is waste management? You know that waste means rubbish which comes out after use of a thing. Waste management is a process by which we can properly manage to use the unnecessary part of a thing in transforming it to another thing. Which things we can transform? It includes everything from old and damaged car to useless cigarette packet. Oh, that's great! As you know that the production and consumption of food, drink, and other necessary things are increasing day by day. As a result, the amount of waste is increasing rapidly and polluting the environment. Yeah, you are right. To prevent the pollution of water, air, and environment as a whole, we should try to remove the waste. But it is not possible to remove all the waste from the world. Exactly. We can only reduce the waste gradually if we are more aware about it and make proper waste management. I agree with you. If we can think of burning, and recycling our wastes, we shall be able to save our environment by reducing waste to a large extent. Do you have any idea? Yeah, we can use some waste as fuels and burn them. We may also use vegetable waste to prepare compost fertilizer for the improvement of soil. Oh, what a great idea! Thanks. So, we should try to reduce the growing waste by recycling them with a view to saving our environment from pollution. Yeah, I totally agree with you. Thanks a lot. You are most welcome.